Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to clean your C8 Corvette rear glass easily using American Detailer Garage Breeze and the Auto Fiber Reacher Kit with a smooth glass flip. It fits into this. If you're not familiar with the Reacher Kit, it's shaped like a hand. It's hard to reach, and almost all Corvette owners I see have like dirty back glass here because it is hard to reach. So we're going to spray the back glass with Breeze, and then I'll use one side of the flip and really I can reach the whole thing from one spot. I don't even need to move. And then if you have extra streaks, you just flip it around. Use the other side, get that final wipe.